Hello everyone, welcome back to Project Garage. Today we are going to be installing some Underglow lights to this car. I know some people don't like it, some people do. I'm one of those people that do. We got a box, got it off of Amazon, picked up two of these for a pretty good price. It is a Aura Underglow LED lighting kit. So the big selling point for this kit is that the pieces are actually aluminum and it's not like just a sticky tape that you stick on underneath and hope for the best. Let me show you. There's a section, boom, mic holder. So this is actually metal, it's aluminum, and it comes in two pieces, and this is the front. Yeah, this is the front one. So it's got wires that all connect and disconnect. So another thing with the older, cheaper ones that you can get on Amazon that are just the rubber LED strips. If you attach it to your lip or your bumper, there's no way to take that off without disconnecting the entire system. With these, you can actually unplug it. So if I attach it to the bottom of this lip, I can just unplug it and the whole thing comes out, and I don't have to disconnect the entire wiring for it. So that'll be a really cool, really neat feature. It is more expensive than a lot of the other LED light strips that you can get. I have an older rubber one, I think by Govee, on my Evo, and at one point one of the wires that was dangling down, because there's nowhere to put the wires, one of them got clipped by something, a branch or something that I hit, and it sheared off the wires. So yeah, adding a bunch of connectors where you could just, it's a better system. I think it's worth spending the extra money, but we will find out after everything's installed to see, was it really worth it? Was it really worth the extra money, the extra, I guess, time? Who knows? It might save time. No idea. But let's jack this thing up and get this thing installed and see how it looks tonight. Alright, so far we got our wires routed up and over for the right side, coming in here, connecting. We got our little box. We got the front, or the left side as well, coming through like right down here. Let's show you what it's looking like so far. So I got a little loop right here to hold the wire so it doesn't yank out of here. And then this guy has a little screw in, and then we'll come down to this section where we got two more loops with zip ties holding it in, and the end is screwed down. The opposite side is completed as well. Just finished the routing the wires. Just have to do the front and the back, and then we're done. Okay, that is installed. Wires have been tidied up over there. We got all underneath here, all set. And then the back is where I had to get very, very creative. So it is sitting right here like that, because there's really no other way to hook this up without it getting too hot. But this should work pretty well, I think. Just got to get everything plugged in and test it. Wish me luck. All right, so we have completed this project. It took a little bit comparing to the Govee one where it's just the rubber strips. I think this was a lot better, a lot easier, a more efficient product, and I think it's going to last long term. The way that you could just disconnect one of the wires and then I could take off this front bumper or lip and still have it attached and not have to disconnect everything, that's a huge plus in my book. Side skirts, not so much. They don't really matter. I'm not going to be taking those off anytime soon. The rear end posed kind of like a tricky situation as far as how to mount that thing, just because I have so much going on back there and there's not a lot of even space. But the fact that it's a hard aluminum structure, I could just zip tie one end, which is what I ended up doing, and instead of having it go all the way across because my exhaust is big and very hot and I don't want to go near that, I was able to go across with one panel and then up with the other. So I think it worked out really well. Only time will tell. Got to take it out tonight, take it to a meet, see how it looks, maybe do some night photography. But yeah, I'll be throwing some clips into that. But project complete. Have a good one. Learn something new, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.